welcome back to my channel Explore Art with me, and today we are going to make a beautiful madhubani art. So for madhubani art we need two supplies majorly, which are a dip pen and a thick sheet. So for a dip pen you can use traditional dip pen if you have, but I don't have. So I'm going to use a glass pen, and if you don't have glass pen also you can use any gel pen or a fine liner pen or any thin marker. And for the sheet you can use any sheet which is more than 150 GSM of paper. And in this video I am also going to share some tricks and tips for the madhubani art. And yeah, let's start the video. And in this video I am only going to do the sketching part of the video. The coloring part of the video I'll do in the next part. So yeah, let's move on the fun part of the video, which is creating the art. So yeah, let's start the art. Here I am drawing some lines with the help of pencil and a scale. In traditional art we usually do not use any scale, but here I'm also a beginner, and if you're watching this video I think you are also a beginner, so that's why I have used a scale so that it doesn't get messy. Here I am showing the measurements. We need to make a 1 centimeter line from the baseline that we have made. The baseline is of half centimeter, and please ignore any background voices if coming. So like this you have to draw lines. Like now I have drawn half centimeter line, one more half centimeter line here. So the first line that we have drawn will not add any pattern to it. The 1 centimeter and the second half centimeter line will add texture and pattern to it. And here I have drawn all the lines. So here as I told in the intro, you have to use a thick sheet more than 150 GSM. I am using 200 GSM, no 200, I'm using 300 GSM sheet, which is for watercolor paper, which is for watercolors. And here I didn't had ink, so now I have, but when I was doing this art I didn't had. So what I did, I was having a little bit of black color acrylic, so what I did, I mixed it with water and it worked fine. If you have black ink you can use that also, but it is a great thing. If you don't have ink like me, you can use acrylic colors mixed with water, it will work. And it also be waterproof as we have to color it also. So here I have drawn the sketch and I am lightening it with the help of eraser. You don't have to rub it all the way through. You have to leave some outlines so that you can draw with the pen easily. Like you can see I have left some outlines so that I can see it where I have to draw. You don't have to rub it all the way. So here I am showing the colors, ignore that. So this is the glass pen as you can see, but if you don't have any glass pen you can use a fountain pen, or if you don't have fountain pen also, what you can do, you can use any gel pen or any permanent, you can use any permanent marker, thin permanent marker. It will also work fine, but I suggest to use gel pen in case if you don't have dip pen. So I am adding a leaf pattern, and here I have drawn an elephant in the between.
I think it's not visible in the camera because the brightness is high, and I think I have rubbed it also, so it is not visible clearly, but after I'll outline it you can see it. Now once you have drawn the line with pencil, you can easily draw it with the dip pen or the gel pen. You don't have to like use a scale again, because if you use a scale it will get messy, like ink will be spreaded everywhere. Ink will spread everywhere. So that's why I have drawn lines with pencil first. So I have drawn the pattern here alternatively in each circle. Like I have filled the pattern alternatively in the circles, as you can see. Here now I am filling the spaces with the help of the pen. It's a very time taking part, so that's why I have sped it up. The video is still very long, but when I recorded it was of, I don't know, 1 hour or any, I don't remember. Like 1 hour the video was before edited. Now it is of 17 minutes, so 18 minutes. So I think it's also long, but I have done my best. Anyways, so now I am drawing lines again in the pattern. Here like I have drawn the lines. What I have done, I have hold the sheet with my left hand, and with the right hand I have just kept my hand very steady, and just I pull my hand towards me, so the lines drew very easily. Anyways, now I am continuing the design. And please ignore any background voices. So here I am drawing the circles, and I will be repeating those steps. And this design is very easy. You can use it anywhere in Madhubani art. Obviously, it is a Madhubani art design. If you want videos on mandala art as well, because I've been doing mandala art for like so much of time. Like this is my first time doing Madhubani art, but mandala art I have done many times. So if you want any video on mandala art, you can comment down below. And I'm again saying, if any background voice is coming, please ignore that. Here now I am outlining the elephant, which is the main focus of our painting. And if you don't have glass pen till now, I suggest to buy it, because it works very smoothly if you are using the right kind of ink. Now from the image which I saw on internet, there was like this spikes kind of on the elephant, like crocodile, but the image was showing like this, so I draw it, but I drew it. But later I was thinking that it is not a crocodile, so why, like dinosaur, so why does it have all that spikes? Anyways, it's a design, so yeah, let's focus on a painting. So here I have double lined it. If you want, you can do triple lining as well, but I went for double lining as it takes less time and less area. As the painting I saw was on A3 size sheet, but I did it on A4, so yes. And don't think that I have copied anyone's artwork. It is just that I took an idea from that artwork, and now I am just doing it from a different design. Now you can see I have done double lining on this also, and now I am adding some patterns and designs on this. I don't know what's called, so that's why I'm not saying anything about it. And it is now just that I have to fill that the last area, so that's why I'm adding anything like that, just the wavy lines. And here I'm adding this design as well. And please ignore any background voices, and if the audio, like if the voice is not fine, so please ignore, because my mic is not working now, so I'm recording from my mobile phone only. So here our elephant is almost completed. I am just drawing the foot here. So, and remember that if you have any empty space in the design, you can fill it with the pen only, so it will look a little more completed. And here I am adding design to the ear of the elephant. And yeah, I am still improving, so if you think that there's like some mistakes in that artwork, please comment down below so that I can improve more. Yeah, anyways, now I'm filling this area with the pen. I think I have done the design wrong, because I was thinking of adding some lines here, but I failed it, so yeah. Now here I am adding some design to the trunk of the elephant. It is like not to the top of the trunk. I have just done the half trunk so that it looks more reasonable. And here's my sister walking home. So yeah, here the elephant is almost completed. Now I'll do the background. So for the background, I am just adding some leaves and stems, so the background looks completed at least. And please ignore any background voice. This is the 4th time I am saying this line. Here you can use thick marker as well when I am filling, but I was having this also, so I used it. So now what I am doing is I am adding leaves here and there so that it looks finished, as I already said. You can do anything else. You can add flowers, even circle patterns you can add, but I added leaves as it was simplest option. and I had to complete this artwork as soon as possible. So yeah. And the second part of the video will be uploaded soon, so stay tuned on my channel and subscribe it. And if you're watching my video, please subscribe and like my channel, like my video and subscribe my channel. So it was taking time for the leaves as well, so what I did, I just sped up the video, so it is like sped up version. Sorry. So now what we have to do is just we have to add some patterns on the leaves. So you can see